If you're in the market for e-signature software, you might have come across SignNow. But is it really the best affordable option, or just another overhyped tool? Let's dive into what it offers and see if it's worth your time and money. SignNow is designed to streamline the signing process for documents, making it a go-to tool for businesses and individuals alike. At its core, it allows users to create, send, and sign documents electronically, which can save a lot of time compared to traditional methods. The user interface is relatively straightforward, which is great for those who aren't tech-savvy. You can upload documents in various formats, and they offer templates to make things easier. One thing that stands out is the mobile app, which lets you sign documents on the go, definitely a plus for busy professionals. However, it's worth noting that some users have mentioned that the integration options with other software could be better. While it seems to cater well to small to medium businesses, larger enterprises might find it lacking in advanced features. Overall, while SignNow does a solid job in many areas, there are parts of the user experience that could use more clarity, especially when it comes to integrations and support. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, SignNow is user-friendly and has a competitive pricing structure, making it appealing for small businesses or freelancers. The mobile app is a nice touch, allowing for flexibility in signing documents anywhere. However, there are some frustrations. Some users have pointed out that customer support could be more responsive, which is a significant concern if you run into issues. Additionally, while it offers essential features, it may not have the robust capabilities that larger companies might need, such as advanced reporting or extensive integrations. If you're a solo entrepreneur or a small team, SignNow could fit your needs nicely. But if you're part of a larger organization or require more advanced features, you might want to explore other options. In conclusion, SignNow is a solid choice for those looking for an affordable e-signature solution, especially if you're just starting out or running a small business. However, if you need more advanced features or better integration capabilities, it might be worth considering alternatives. Overall, it feels like a reliable option